Hello, my dear viewers. This is Tikas Copy Webinars YouTube channel. Am I audible? Um, there is some problem in the sound again. Hello, hello. Again, there is some problem in the sound, guys. Advanced audio properties. Hello, hello. Quick check with the audio. Can you hear me? Anybody? Can you give me some feedback? I see that the sound is not good, so I'm just disconnecting my audios. Can you hear me? Okay, no sound. This microphone. Hello, hello. Now it's better. Okay. All right. Are we good to go? This one is much better. This is good, guys. So this is Guys Copy Webinars YouTube channel, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. There is definitely something wrong with the voice. What's that? I don't understand. Hello. Is it better? No, it is not. But anyways, I will try to continue and see if you can hear me properly. If it is not, then please let me know in the chat so that I can discontinue this webinar. All right. So here we are, guys. This is Vikas Copy Webinar YouTube channel, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today's 22nd of November 2023. The day is Wednesday, and I hope that my sound is reaching you properly. If it is not reaching you properly, please let me know in the chat. That's all. And guys, my name is Rakesh. I'm your host here. We are doing this webinar from last 1 year. We started it in August 2022, and now it is November 2023. So we have seen a very good journey. Janice has written this message yesterday, moving to tomorrow. Sorry for that. That means we could not do a webinar yesterday, but we have the ideas from the previous webinars, what we were going to see in the market, and let's have a review of that. and in the process we'll also be changing or reappropriating our key levels for all the major currency pairs, and also we will be seeing some other pairs also this day. And in the process we will see how we can use those key levels in our trading, and stick with me and learn while you earn. Well, that is the key here. And if you have any suggestions or comments, please feel free to let them come here in the form of the chat, in the chat box that is provided. And in meanwhile, if you see that something you like about this live stream, please let me know, or otherwise you can smash that like button which is below the video. It really helps me in the YouTube algorithms, and you can support me by that. Without any further ado, I will just go to the charts. But before charts, I must tell you this disclaimer. Please understand this. This is very essential for all the traders to know it in the first place, that trading foreign exchange on margin carries a high level of risk. This is the first line in the first paragraph. All 4 paragraphs are important. Please understand them and then only hop on to the charts that I'm going to show you now. Well guys, please understand that I am not an employee of Dukas Copy Bank, so whatever I'm going to tell you here, they are my own opinions and not of Dukas Copy. And also my trading, these videos are not to be seen as a trading advice. They are not trading advice. That's all. Alright, here comes the chart. So you see this is the daily chart of the dollar index. This just gives you an idea that where is the US dollar going in comparison with the broader market. So we were expecting the price to actually hit this 104.66 resistance before making a new low, but the price made a new low, so this becomes our resistance high now, and this becomes our low. So what we are gonna do is, you will see, and we will shift our levels now, because in the process, well, the price was going down. It has made an this swing high here. So if the price goes above 104.41, then we will understand that the buyers now are trying to take the control of the market, and then we'll be looking for the buying action thereafter. But right now we are looking for the selling opportunity. Till the time the price is trading below 104.41, we will be sellers, and we are targeting 102.84 and below. When the target price goes below 102.84, we will be targeting even the lower targets here. We can actually bring them on the chart. The first one being 101.58. Okay, we have decided that we'll go with the different colors. Every time we place a line, we'll go with the different colors. If you have any opinion about this, please let me know if you like this feature or not. There is something in the settings where you can actually decide that in preferences. If you go to the settings, you go to preferences, you go to chart, drawing settings, you see drawing objects random color. This is a very good feature, and you will definitely like it if you can get to that. Anyway, so what I was saying is that here we have a possibility that the price will go to 104.41. If it goes beyond it, we will not be sellers anymore in the dollar, and we will start buying the dollar. And if the price closes below 102.84, we can see 101.58. Below that, we will be targeting 101.29, and below that, we will be targeting 99.20. That's all for the dollar. And in the similar manner, the euro is also saying its same story. Although we have seen the higher high than 1.0945 in the euro, so we are expecting a higher high again, and therefore this can be seen as a pullback. But in the process, if the euro see a lower low than 1.0824, then we will start selling this market, because in this process it was making higher highs and higher lows. This is the highest low that the price has made, around 1.0824. If the price breaks below this, then we'll be looking for a selling opportunity in this market. Almost similar is the case for the pound. In this also, between these two highs, this is the highest low, and so 1.2373 is the ultimate support for us. If the price trades below this, we will start selling this market. Otherwise, we will be looking for the buying opportunity. And how you can actually catch the buying opportunity? You can catch the buying opportunity like this. I'm not drawing this exact channel, but you can draw a channel like this. Okay, once this channel is broken to the upside, you can be sure that the market is going to go up now again. But I will just remove this because I don't want to trade these channels now. We are trading only the horizontal lines. This is good because when you have horizontal levels, you are kind of sure what is going to happen. Okay? So in the 1 hour, I'm expecting a down move further, but in the longer run, I'm expecting an up move in the GBP USD. Talking about the Australian dollars, on the similar lines of the pound and the euro, it is also looking for the higher prices, although this was gravestone doji and we have seen a pullback to the downside. But I'm expecting support here above 0.65 or 52 area. Till the time the price is trading above this level, we can be sure of buyers to enter the market. But if the price starts trading below 0.6452, then I think we'll be targeting 0.6338 and 0.6269 eventually. Right now, the price is bullish. The price can test 0.6616, and on the downside, we have a strong support around 0.6452. And in this, I think down move, this area, this which I'm going to shade now in the form of rectangle, this area may also provide some support to the market. Why? Because these are the previous highs that the market has broken, and now this zone should start giving us some support. Guys, if you are vibing around, please show me some love with the use of that like button which is below the video. Please use it to your maximum advantage. All right. So what are the key levels here in this one? 0.6452 on the downside is a key level, and 0.6616 on the upside is a key level. But this is also a zone of support here where the price has traded lower. Today 0.6520 area actually is the area of support here. New Zealand dollar, we have seen a rise beyond these previous resistances, but the close ultimately came below, so that's why the selling started. Maybe on the low time frames you will see that the price went higher like this and then eventually broke lower, so the selling started. But does it mean that the sellers are now in control of the market? No, guys, no, because on the 1 day it has broken the crucial resistance around 0.6055. So definitely now this becomes our resistance, but we will be looking for buying opportunities in this market, and that can happen on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, how you can do that, guys? Simple. We drop a channel like this, and then when we see when this channel breaks to the upside, I mean, right now the price is behaving like this, okay, but ultimately it can also go like this. So when something like this happens, you become a buyer at around this price, somewhere here. So does that make any sense? Now it may not, but when you go to 4 hour, it will make sense to you that okay, the price was going higher highs and higher lows, and in the process it made a highest low here. So now you can actually push it to that level, but rather than pushing it, I will make it a clone and then pull it like this. So if the price trades below 0.5939, then we can become sellers, but otherwise we cannot be sellers. 0.5939, because between these two highs, this is the highest low. So if the price goes below this, we cannot be buyers anymore. We have to become sellers. Hello Rakesh. Hello Anish. Welcome to the stream. Thank you very much for joining. Anish, why is that whenever you join the stream, there are so many watchings increased with you? Are you putting some bot on my stream? Just asking. Okay, please don't do that if you are doing that. If not, then fine. So anyways, 0.6015 is where the price is trading right now. And if the price starts going further down, 0.5939, Janice mentioned there is no session today and so left. Then YouTube shows it's streaming, and so I joined again. No, Janice has given that message yesterday. I need to add the timestamps to that actually. You can check and click on top of chat and put the timestamps, and then you will know that 10:35 p.m. Janice must have given that message yesterday, not today. But you cannot know on which date because this is the only time there. Alright. Alright guys, alright. Alright, so here we are. By the way, welcome Anish once again to this live stream. Thank you very much for joining. You're great. You're great from the beginning. So like I was saying that in the New Zealand dollar also this is similar. Yesterday's session was cancelled. Yes, yesterday's session was cancelled because of unforeseen circumstances. I had to be at some place where I could not avoid. So I had an unavoidable situation where I had to go, and that happened at the same time. I got the call when it was time to stream. So I'm extremely sorry about that. And let me tell you, Anis, if you are here, and for to my other viewers also, that from 8th of December, I will not be available to stream till I think January 10th of approximately. No worries, life is like that. Yeah, we understand. Thank you very much for understanding. So I'll not be able to stream for approximately 1 month. Please bear with me. I have to take my family on a vacation. So I'll not be able to stream from there because I'll not be carrying my laptop for it. And also this is a holiday season, so you won't miss me really because most of the people will be traveling here and there and staying at home. Okay, so my point is that New Zealand dollar is also a buying market, but if it crosses below 0.5939, we may see a down move further. Okay, it may end up in a downtrend. So till now, till the time the price is trading above 0.5939, look for buying opportunity only, and that you can do like this. When the price breaks above this, you can look for a buying opportunity like this with the first target of 0.6055. Family first, they deserve your time more than anybody. Wish you a great vacation. Thank you very much, Anis. These are good words. USD So finally, some support at the lower prices, but I will not see it as a buying opportunity. I will rather be looking for a selling opportunity. Like I mentioned, that yes, this may provide resistance, but there is a probability that the price will go higher. Actually, what I'm looking for right now, I'm looking for something like this. Maybe you can see this one. I'm looking for the price to go at the intersection of these two areas. You might be thinking, from where did I bring up here? This one. So this is the area which I'm looking for. This is the area where I'm thinking that tomorrow or maybe day after we will get a strong resistance around 150.50 area, from where the prices can go down. Why I'm thinking so? Because those who are watching this trend line, they will be looking to for the retest of this broken line, and those who are looking at this line, they will also be looking at this price. So maybe on 23rd of November, that is tomorrow, we may see a rise towards 150.40, from where you can see a strong resistance and strong sell-off. That is my expectation. All right. But what is the support and resistance level for this one, guys? Now this is not a support anymore. This becomes the support, and the resistance from this price action point of view is this one. That is this one, because this is the highest high that the price made during this down. So 151.42, above this I will become a buyer, but till the time this level is not tested or the price doesn't go higher than this, I will be looking for a selling opportunity only. USD CHF finally has got the support at 62%, but I think on the higher prices it is also facing some resistance. Let's see on the 4 hour what is happening. You see there was a rise, but it was again immediately sold off. So USD CHF, there is a very thin chance of going higher. Now from this up move, I was expecting that this may continue further, but see, we have a strong Swiss franc in the strong Swiss franc globally, and US dollar is going down, so ultimately it has to go down. I think it may be shattered very soon, this support, or around 0.8818, it may be shattered very soon, and we may look for the targets of 0.8554. Fundamentally this market is very weak, and if any rise, I think 0.8900 will be acting as a strong resistance for the price to go down. So I'm expecting this channel to be followed sincerely till 0.8552 at least. Dollar against the Canadian, similar is the case. The price went higher against the Canadian dollar, but US dollar is being sold across the board. So this may be a reason for this down move. So this may be a reason for this down move. You see, this is giving us a bearish pin bar on the 4 hour. In the next 38 minutes, this bearish pin bar will be closed. That means there is a more downside to this price, maybe even testing this line and breaking it to the downside with a target of 1.3568, which is the target for us. From the daily point of view, we are in a okay, we are in a consolidation, guys, from the daily. Pound against Australian, I'm just looking for the break of 1.8850 to the downside. Once that happens, I become a seller with the target of lower prices, which are very, very low. This may be a trade of the year even, but I'm not buying this market. Definitely not buying this market, because the pound is weak against the Australian dollar in the long run. So I'm just expecting this head and shoulder to break anytime soon to the downside, and then I'll be targeting lower values here, here, and maybe here also. What you can do is you can put it here on the line and then here. So these are the two important supports that the price can test. Actually, this is also one important support around, not this one, this one, 1.8490. That is an important support which will be my first target. All right. On the upside, now resistance is still 1.99687. Actually, this is the resistance from the daily point of view, and the support is around 1.8850, which I'm expecting to break anytime soon. Gold, finally a move, actually a run towards 2000 and even beyond. Yesterday we seen a high of 2007.47, but today again the down move has started. So when you switch to 4 hour, you will see that the price actually convincingly closed above 1991, and now it is looking for a support at this broken channel. And if that support is held, then in the day or two you may see the price rising above 2009, and above 2009 there is a potential of 70 points. $70 rise is possible above 2009, and the market can reach 2079, which may be all-time high for the gold prices, I think. Let me check on the monthly. 2079 is, I think, where the prices can go. Okay, you see the prices have gone to actually 2079.77 is the all-time high, which the prices had made on April 2023. Alright guys, this year in April. But if I go to 1 day, I see that this can be witnessed anytime if the price goes beyond 2009 in a day or two. Brent, I think finally a consolidation has started before the next leg lower. Although this is a beautiful breakdown to the downside, the sellers entered here, and when the price went higher, again they entered here. So now the buyers are trying to push the prices higher on the 4 hour. Let me check. So you see on the 4 hour the prices are being sent higher up. So what you can do here, you can actually create a triangle also. Well, these triangles are sometimes very risky, but still what you can do is you can create something like this, okay, and then expect a move to the downside. Why I'm saying expect a move to the downside, because this is a broken, and now anytime when the price reaches 81.38, the sellers may re-enter to push the prices down. 76.58 is the target, and after that we have lower targets also, 70.10, but 76.58 was the target that we had concluded till yesterday. I'm sorry, day before yesterday, and that has happened. So we have low targets here, 70.10 there. GBP JPY, my friend was saying that GBP JPY, no, something he was saying. Anish, what was your stand on this GBP JPY, brother? You were looking for a buying opportunity, right? And I told you to look for a selling opportunity, if I remember. Please let me know. I said that if the price breaks below 184.54, then you should be looking for a selling opportunity. Am I right or not? From this market, I see that the market structure is broken. These lows are taken out. So we should be looking for a selling opportunity now, anywhere below this price. So if I switch to 4 hour, um, I think around this area 187.73, you should be looking for a selling opportunity. But I think I said stay away from this market. Don't sell this market because the pound is in an uptrend. I think something like this I have said yesterday or day before yesterday. Yeah, I think from here the price will go up and then it will break down. If it breaks down and breaks from this channel, then look for a selling opportunity around 184.54, something like that I said, I think. So I'm still on those words because we have traded below 184.54. Now the market is shattered and a downtrend will begin. So we want to look for a selling opportunity in this market. Below 188.28, I'll be looking for a selling opportunity. That's it. Australian dollar against the Canadian. Well, the daily is still intact. It is an uptrend. Price trading below 0.8857 will make me seller again in this market. Here in the uptrend, the price has been going up. Expect some buying around 0.8937. If that doesn't happen, then 0.8857 is the ultimate support. If that breaks, we can also test these lows, not these, but these lows, 0.8752 area. So that's all from my side, guys. Anis, my friend, if you have any particular pair that you want me to have a look at, or any of our viewers, if they have any particular request that they want me to check, I will check it live. Please let me know in the chat. All right, guys, I see no questions, so I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. My request to you is that keep in mind to only risk 1% of your capital on any single trade, and you should look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. Always, like with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this webinar useful for you. You can also leave your suggestions after the video is published in the comment section. Please consider subscribing to this channel if you are new here, and we'll have more webinars like this. We are doing it every day at 1700 GMT. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching, and thanks very much for your time. We'll see you tomorrow at 1700 GMT, same place. Bye bye. Take care.